How to fix when Explorer.exe is accidentally deleted in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue. Launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link which says download Windows 11, go down and click on download now button from create Windows 11 installation media section. Once completed, click on this tool media creation tool.exe. Let the things ready on this screen. Click on accept, uncheck this box and select the correct options. Click on next, select ISO file. Click on next, select a location from here and click on save. Let the download complete. ISO file will be downloaded in a few minutes. Wait for it. Right click on the downloaded ISO file and select mount. Right click on setup.exe and click on open. Click on yes. Click on next. For applicable notes and license terms, click on accept. On the ready to install window, click on the link change what to keep and make sure that keep personal files and apps is selected. If it is not selected, select this option and click on next. Finally, click on install. Your computer will restart multiple times and Windows 11 will be installed and the Explorer.exe will be again available. To be fair, this process will take some more time than you, so wait patiently to complete every process. Follow those steps. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.